Water, Class 6th, Chapter 14, 4th Part. Children, the topic is water as a disaster. Water, this is very important for our survival. But its lack and excess both are harmful and can turn into a disaster. Now, the first disaster is drought. If in an area the rainfall is not enough over a long period, as you are seeing in the pic, if the rainfall this is not taking place over a long period of time, then it results in a drought. During the drought, the soil dries up and cracks. The land becomes infertile and loss of vegetation takes place. Lack of water leads to the death of many animals. Crops are affected and there is shortage of food and fodder. The water level in ponds and wells goes down and leads to loss of drinking water and therefore poor health conditions. Aquatic plants and animals die and this affects the ecosystem. Floods, usually heavy rainfall in an area, cause a natural disaster called flood. It raises the water level of rivers, lakes, ponds, causing them to overflow their limits. This water spreads in the fields, villages, and cities, sometimes submerging them. Flood damages the crops, buildings, and dams. It also carries away animals and many other things with it. When the flood water recedes, many diseases and infections spread. Flood water washes the topsoil, reducing the fertility of land. Potable water and food supply get affected and causing a number of deaths. Children, you are seeing a scene of flood here. Conservation of water. Since only a very small part of the water available on earth is useful for living organisms, there is a need to conserve water. There are many ways in which we can conserve water. First is avoid wastage of water. If the tap is on unnecessarily and water is going waste, then turn off it. Don't keep the tap water running. Plant more trees and grow plants which require less water. Reduces water pollution. Build more dams. This will prevent both droughts and floods. Harvest rainwater. Children, here you are seeing two pigs. In both pigs, the wastage of water this is going on. The tap is on and the girl is brushing teeth and the boy is taking bath. Rainwater harvesting. Collection of rainwater from surfaces on which rain falls and storing it for future use. This is called rainwater harvesting. Even less rainfall can enable us to collect a lot of water. Roofs of buildings can be provided with pipes which carry the rainwater to large tanks from where water can be filtered and used, as you are seeing in the pic. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. Now, advantages of rainwater harvesting. It reduces the wastage of water. It helps in storing clean water, which can also be directly used for many activities except drinking. It helps to prevent water losing of the drains. It can also be used to recharge groundwater and improve the water table. So these are the advantages of rainwater harvesting.